AI in Camunda, beginner level, introduction. AI in Camunda means using artificial intelligence with Camunda workflow automation platform to build smarter, automated business processes. Camunda is a popular tool used for workflow automation, business process management, BPM, orchestrating microservices, managing complex workflows. AI enhances Camunda by making workflows intelligent, adaptive, automated, data-driven. Examples include AI-based decision-making in workflows, smart task routing, automated document processing, chatbot integration with workflows, predictive process optimization. This topic helps beginners understand how AI works with real-world workflow engines like Camunda. What is AI in Camunda? AI in Camunda is the integration of artificial intelligence into Camunda workflows to automate and improve business processes. In simple words, AI in Camunda equals using AI to make workflows smarter and automatic. A beginner view includes AI decision tasks, automated workflows, intelligent task routing, predictive process management, integration with AI services. What is Camunda? Camunda is a platform used to design and execute workflows using BPMN, business process model and notation. It helps businesses define processes, automate tasks, manage workflows, integrate systems. Why AI in Camunda is important. Traditional workflows are static, rule-based, limited. AI improves workflows by adding intelligence, making dynamic decisions, automating complex tasks, improving efficiency, reducing manual work. Basic areas of AI in Camunda. Area purpose decision automation, AI-based decision-making, task routing, assign tasks intelligently, document processing, extract data from documents, chatbot integration, interact with users, predictive analytics, forecast workflow outcomes, process optimization, improve efficiency using data. Example of workflow data. Process data equals order amount 500, customer type premium, risk score 0.2. Example of AI decision in Camunda. Order amount equals 500. If order amount equals 300, print approve automatically. Else, print send for manual review. Simple AI plus Camunda concept example. Python. Task equals approve order. If task equals approve order, print AI decision executed. How AI in Camunda works. Step 1. Start workflow. A process begins, e.g., order placed. Event equals order created. Step 2. Collect data. Order amount equals 400. Customer type equals premium. Step 3. AI decision task. If order amount equals 300, decision equals auto approve. Else, decision equals manual review. Print decision. Step 4. Execute workflow path. If decision equals auto approve, print order approved. Workflow continues automatically. AI in decision automation. DMN. Camunda uses DMN, decision model and notation. Score equals 80. If score greater than 70, print approved. AI in task routing. AI assigns tasks dynamically. Priority equals high. If priority equals high, print assign to senior agent. AI in document processing. AI extracts data inside workflows. Invoice amount equals 250. If invoice amount greater than 200, print process invoice. AI in chatbot integration. Camunda workflows connect with chatbots. User input equals track order. If track in user input, print fetching order status. AI in predictive workflow. AI predicts outcomes. Delay risk equals 0.7. If delay risk equals 0.5, print high delay risk. Full menu-based AI in Camunda example. Def decision task. Amount equals int input, enter order amount. If amount equals 300, print auto approved. Else, print manual review required. Def route task. Priority equals input, enter priority. If priority equals high, Print assigned to senior agent. Def, process document. Amount equals int input. Enter invoice amount. If amount is over 200, print invoice processed. Else, print further validation needed. While true, print N1 decision task. Print 2 route task. Print 3 process document. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, decision task. If choice equals 2, route task. If choice equals 3, process document. If choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from AI in Camunda. C. Workflow automation. BPMN basics. Decision modeling. DMN. AI integration. Process orchestration. Real-world enterprise systems. Real-life analogy. AI in Camunda is like a smart operations manager controlling workflows. It can receive tasks, analyze data, make decisions, route work, complete processes automatically, ways to improve an AI in Camunda project, integrate ML models into workflows, use REST APIs for AI services, add real-time analytics, use event-driven architecture, connect with microservices, build dashboards, add monitoring tools. Process mining, common mistakes beginners make. UXIC, treating workflows as static, not using decision models, DMN, overcomplicating BPMN diagrams, ignoring data integration, not handling exceptions. Where AI in Camunda is used: banking systems, insurance workflows, e-commerce platforms, healthcare systems, logistics companies, enterprise automation, government systems, IT operations. Large systems may include workflow engines, decision engines, AI services, microservices architecture. Simple definition. AI in Camunda: the use of artificial intelligence to enhance and automate workflows in Camunda. Final summary. AI in Camunda helps businesses build smart, automated workflows. It enables intelligent decision-making, automated processes, dynamic workflows, better efficiency, scalable systems. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI integrates with real-world workflow engines and enterprise systems.